Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change the language in EA. Today I'll be showing you how to change your language in EA. So the first thing you need to do is open up your EA. Once you're here, to change your language, click on your profile here and then click on settings. And once you're here, you can choose the application. And once you're at the application, you will see language and choose which language that you want here. So we can choose English, but I'm Filipino, so I'm gonna choose Wikang Filipino. And once I click that, it will change to Wikang Filipino. So, but we're gonna make it universal language, so we're gonna choose English. And there you go. And the other way to change your language in EA is once you're here, go back to my account and click on manage. After clicking on manage, this will pop up. Just wait for it. And once you're here, scroll down and you will see region settings and then click edit. Then you'll see language at the bottom of the country. Then click on it. Then click on which language that you want. So there you go. So we're gonna choose English, then save. And then there you go. And note you can change it as many times as you want. I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys learned something. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.